So it is a dark and rainy evening here at the studio, but we have a small glimmer of hope sitting on the table. So in front of me right now is the Oh Orange Pixel 4 XL in 128 gigabytes of storage. So this is probably the unicorn of all the Pixel 4 devices right now. Out of all of them that went up for sale, or at least pre-order sales, I believe this one sold out the fastest. I was on Google's website when these went live. I got my pre-order in, got first day delivery basically, and I believe they sold out after like 15 minutes. So this is kind of the hard one to get a hold of. I know that there are other websites that you can pre-order this particular color and storage as well, but from my understanding, pre-orders from other websites, especially Amazon, are not going very well. So it's time to switch over to this device. You guys know I always have one Android daily driver on me all the time, and that one is currently the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It's been my Android daily driver for what, the better part of a month now? It's been a good amount of time. And I've really enjoyed it. I still wish Samsung would have put a 90 hertz display on there, but outside of that, I really enjoyed the Note 10 Plus. But it's time to switch to the Oh Orange Pixel 4 XL for at least a couple weeks. I'm looking forward to it, but at the same time, I don't want to get my expectations too high because Google has kind of let us down over the last couple years with the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 3. I'm hoping the Pixel 4 will bring some redemption, but we're just gonna have to see if it can justify that price point. So I'm going to take the SIM card out of my Note. While I'm doing that, you guys join me around the table so we can figure out what's in this box. Alrighty, so this is the box. So we see the Oh Orange Pixel 4 XL here on the front. On the side, you have a side panel view of the phone, which I do believe this is actual height. And I think they started this trend last year. Team Pixel branding on the back that shows you what phone you got in what color. So we have two little pull tabs on the right and left here. Let's go ahead and get these taken off. Flip this box over. Oh, that's dropping slow. Are we gonna see the phone first? Yeah, we're going to see the phone first. So there is our orange Pixel 4 XL. I should say Oh Orange. I am super hyped for this color. It matches my car. Let's see what else we have in the box before we unwrap the Pixel, yeah? So you got your little cardboard tray to hold it. You got your standard Google paperwork, Pixel user guide, whatever that thing is. And then you do have a SIM ejector tool, which is nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in the booklet and leave it here. And what else do we have in the box? So you have your USB-C to USB-C charging cable, which is good. You have, is it like stuck in here? Oh, there it goes. You have a adapter. This is going to help with data transfer from your old device. So USB-C and USB-A on one side, which is pretty good. I'm glad they at least include that. Let's see, is anything else included in the, is that it? Yeah, just the charger. So you have the same charger that's now been included on the Pixel for like the last couple years. I believe it's 18 watts, so it's still decently fast. Doesn't necessarily keep up with a lot of other manufacturers these days, especially with like what Samsung is shipping. But we do have some wrapping paper on the phone. Hang on one second. Okay, hopefully you guys are able to hear that. I had to bring it a little closer to me. Got a lav mic on as normal. This is super nice. So I believe in a lot of the pictures it looks a little glossy, but this is actually like a frosted matte glass, and it looks really nice. A little bit of a mix between a nice orange color and like a coral color, but still really nice nonetheless. And then you have these black accent rails around the phone with that colored power button, which is a little pink. So we're gonna power it on so we can see those bezels. Yeah, so you can see the bottom bezel is kind of minimal. The top bezel is very big. That is a big forehead, but justified considering how much technology it packs. But yeah, in terms of the overall retail package, this is everything you will be receiving in the box if you ordered a Pixel 4 or a Pixel 4 XL. So that just about does it, guys. Like I said, if you guys purchase the retail version of the Pixel 4, that is everything you're going to get in the box. In terms of what actually comes in the box, considering how expensive this phone is, it's $999 for the XL 128 gigabyte version that I bought. It's $1,000 and it doesn't come with a dongle of any kind or even a pair of USB-C headphones, which is a little disappointing whenever you consider the price point. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing anyways. And if you did, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. We are like 90 subs, maybe less, away from breaking 3,000, which is really huge. It's actually one of our goals that we've set in a period of time. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you do. We're trying to break 3,000 and would really, really appreciate y'all's support on that. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Streets.